How has Dangal changed your life?
Post Dangal, it's been pretty normal. Like, people have started recognizing me. Other than that, I've become very domestic. I've started cooking. I'm back to my normal routine life. I'm quite thrilled to see how people are reacting to the film and our performances. It's so nice that they're loving our film. I keep getting messages daily on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, that how much they have loved the film and how much the film has inspired them. So it's quite nice and thrilling to see that. So if even I was driving the other day and Dangal ka Gana was on the radio, and for a second I was like, oh God, I have worked in this film. And it has released and people are liking it. तो ऐसा एकदम धक्का सा लगता है that it has released and people are loving it also. So it's quite nice.
Sania, tell us, how was your experience working with one of the biggest Khan, Aamir Khan?
It is so easy to work with him. When we first met him, I've said it so many times that he was not looking like himself. He was not Aamir Khan at that time. He was his character. So it was very easy because we were not starstruck at all. And he used to keep doing chota cheeze, chota pranks on set. You won't believe, like, मेरे दिमाग में तो कभी आमिर खान का ऐसा इमेज है ही नहीं that he ऐसा कोई prank कुछ कर रहे होंगे. It used to keep doing chota pranks on us or on the kids or something. So it's a very fun when he's around.
You recently did a beauty photo shoot after a film. What are your future plans in the industry?
Yeah, so photo shoots are fun, but they are the most difficult thing ever. Like, I can be in front of the camera, like I can emote myself, but when it comes to photo shoots, I am so stiff in front of the camera. It takes me like 15-20 minutes to like relax myself down because I smile, not to smile. I'm like for 15-20 minutes I'm in that situation. Fatima is really good in photo shoots. Yeah. Like if I'm shooting with her, I've become really relaxed because I see her posing and doing quite nice ऐसा poses. So थोड़ा easy हो जाता है. And it's so nice to see because in Dangal we didn't use makeup at all. So the shoot which we did, it was for a beauty segment. And they were doing this fancy makeup on us and fancy hairdos. It was really fun.
We heard you are a trained ballet dancer, true?
It's been 2 years that I've done ballet. I really miss doing ballet. I used to do ballet in Delhi. So I was working with a ballet teacher in his company. Before that, I used to do, I was in the dance society of my college. Okay. So we used to do one choreography and we used to go to other colleges and perform. So I really missed doing stage performances. Then I came to Mumbai for a dance reality show. So before Dangal and before doing ads, I was totally into dancing. I really wanted to become a dancer.
Apart from movies, what do you really want to do in your future?
I would really want to travel. Yeah.
One thing you learned from Aamir Khan that will always stay with you?
I think he's a very humble and a very down-to-earth man. Like, he's Aamir Khan, but he's so nice to everyone around him.
What was the biggest challenge while shooting for Dangal?
Wrestling. Our coach used to push us a lot. I think हमारा wrestling and us being wrestlers in the film has to do a lot with Kripa Shankar ji because he used to push us a lot. I remember I used to look so graceful because I'm a dancer. I used to look very graceful while doing wrestling. So he used to keep shouting at me and he used to keep scolding me that you can't look like a dancer. So I stopped dancing for 6-7 months. I didn't dance at all. Otherwise, if I'm standing, I'll dance. If I'm in a party, I'll dance. I used to party and I used to go and just sit and don't do anything. So it was not only tough for me, for all 4 of us. We were living together. Yeah. We used to wake up 6 o'clock in the morning, have breakfast and then go for wrestling. And I remember all of us used to be pretty drained out all the time after the wrestling. But then we got used to it. We used to make fun of each other while going for the wrestling practice and then coming back. It was quite fun with Zaira Suhani being around.
Rapid fire.
Oh God.
Tell us Fatima's one annoying habit.
Okay. One annoying habit. She walks really fast. For no reason, she walks really fast. So if you're walking with her, you've gone out somewhere, within seconds she's somewhere else only. It's quite annoying for me.
Your long curls or your latest pixie?
Pixie.
Photo shoots or red carpets?
Photo shoots.
Dream date?
Dream date. At hill station.
Love?
Love means everything. Love is everywhere. Like, it's so cliched that I'm saying. But love is everywhere. Love is for your pet, for your mother, for your father, for your phone, for dance.
Describe the following people in one word. Zaira Wasim?
Brat.
Amir Khan?
Passionate.
Ranveer Singh?
Sexy.
Deepika Padukone?
Sexy. Sexy. Ranveer Singh, the sexy was in small letters, and for Deepika Padukone it's like bold letters.